So I had a hen that went broody, and she had like 9 or 10 eggs underneath her. So I figured she'd hatch them out. And I was looking at them, and she kept eating the eggs and eating the eggs and eating the eggs. She was down to 1 egg, and it was past 21 days, and she was still sitting. So we just hatched out a bunch of new guineas. And we took two newborn hatched out of the incubator, took her last egg that she had, and stuck the 2 baby guineas underneath her. And that was like 2 days ago. So I just put some chick starter in there, and she's teaching them how to eat. She had them outside here today. They're picking through corn and running around crazy. So she's a new hen. She's not even a year, she's just about a year old. So none of her eggs hatched, but she's taking care of these little baby guineas. Can a chicken raise Guinea Keets? Yep, sure can. She'll protect them like they're hers. Oh, hide back underneath the mom. That way I don't have to incubate them. Maybe next batch she'll be able to hatch out. It'll be cool.